Okay, today I'm going to share another recipe that's really wonderful in January. Those cold days when you feel like you're cold to the bone and you just want to put something nice and warm in your body. So this is a chicken chili stew. So what are we starting with, Casey?
We're going to start with a tablespoon of oil, which has already some in there. You might in the pot.
That looks like, yeah, that looks like about a tablespoon, but we'll do just another drop just in case.
Okay. Then we're going to add chopped onion, a large.
Which is wonderful, wonderful. Diced onion.
Then a chopped yellow bell pepper.
Yes. Love the flavor of the yellow and the red and the orange bell peppers. They're just sweeter.
Okay.
To me.
We have 3 cloves of chopped garlic.
Okay.
And a small seed-removed jalapeno.
It's gonna be a hot mama today.
Okay, we want to cook that for about 4 minutes.
Okay. Okay, so we'll let that get nice and hot. And let me see my favorite spoon, which is, look at my favorite spoon that I picked out. Michael. I was on a show in New York. I can't even remember the name of the show because it wasn't a show that went, I think it only went like 1 or 2 seasons. So, you know, the shows, when you visit these shows, they'll give you a little gift. And this particular show gave me 4 wooden spoons with Michael, Paula, Jamie, Bobby on it. And I just thought they were the cutest things. And I use them all the time. I wish I could remember the name of the show, but like I said, it wasn't there long enough to remember it. All right, so we're gonna let that saute for about 4 minutes.
All right, now you want to add in a tablespoon of chili powder.
Okay.
And you want to season with
I'm sorry
salt.
about the clicking, y'all, but I can't seem to make it chop. And then add what, Dawn?
Salt. Salt
How
to
much
taste.
salt? Okay. To my taste or your taste? All right, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt. Not quite that much pepper because I don't know what that jalapeno is gonna do to that. So is that clicking making you nervous, Eddie? While he's shooting, he's also playing with the stove. All right, let me turn this one off and see if, see if it helps if I move it up there. How about that?
There you go.
Is that better? Okay, so we added our chili powder, salt, pepper.
Now we want to add 4 cups of chicken broth.
Okay, so this is just plain water.
So
yes, I'm gonna add some wet base to it. And I think, let me see, I wanna tell you exactly, I think like a teaspoonful. Let's see. 1 teaspoon equals 1 bouillon cube to 1 cup of water. So how many cups is that?
4.
Okay, so that's like 3 because I scooped it. All right, and then 1 more. So there's 4. Now this won't dissolve in cold water, but I'll make sure it all gets in the pot. But once you've used this wet base, y'all, you won't ever want to use another bouillon cube, will you? Okay. So, in goes our stock. Okay, our stock is looking real good, Casey. So I've got some beautiful cubed sweet potatoes. And we're gonna put those in.
And then 2 cups of store-bought salsa verde.
Salsa verde. Now this is not hot, is it?
It shouldn't be.
You know, I don't do a lot of store-bought products. It's got a little heat to it.
Okay. So
little heat.
You want to do the whole thing? Or?
Michael Groover is gonna love it. Wasn't I supposed to use that much?
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a little heat.
Okay, so we cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the sweet potatoes tender.
Okay. Okay, well, that'll take a few minutes for the sweet potatoes to get tender. So I will put the lid on that, honey. And you want to set the timer for 10 minutes? Here it is. I hope this is dinging right. It didn't want to. All right, so that's set for 10 minutes. And I'm going to go put another ornament on the Christmas tree.
Okay, now we want to add in...
We're going to finish up the
chicken chili stew.
Yes. Ooh,
and all we did was a rotisserie chicken. We just pulled off about 12 ounces. And this is a can of pinto beans.
That had been washed.
And rinsed.
And drained. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in there. And that was a canned pinto. Okay. And our chicken.
And then cilantro.
Okay. So in goes the cilantro. And this is looking very good. I just tasted one of those sweet potatoes to make sure it was done. Ooh, and it's good. And I love the pinto beans in it. All right, so we just want to give that a second to get hot. And we got to have us a little bowl. And Eddie had to run out. He had an errand to run. So Mike is our cameraman now. And I know Mike wants a big bowl of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, that child won't eat nothing but burgers. And he's funny about his burgers. What else do you eat?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken tenders or chicken legs?
I prefer the tenders.
I told him one day, I said, son, I sure do hope you take vitamins. All righty. So while that's coming up to temperature, our chicken and all of that, I'm going to slice of some avocado. This is going to be our varnish. I ain't doing no floaters today. This is going to be our garnish. Listen, y'all going to get old too if you're lucky. And I want to make sure I squirt a little lemon juice on it, because it will turn brown before your very eyes. So you ready, Casey?
Yep.
Look at all the beautiful colors. The yellows and the orange. Looks so good. Do you like yours chunky, or do you like it more soup?
I like it with a little bit of broth in it, like this.
I do too, so is that enough?
Yep, that's perfect.
And your avocado. And then a little dollop of sour cream. Oh, sorry, I got a little avocado in the sour cream.
It's all going to get mixed up.
All right, Mikey, you ready? I'm just gonna fix me a little smaller bowl, because I can be a sissy when it comes to heat. So I'm trying to clean that spoon out. And I do love the avocado. And some of those strips, what are those crispy strips called? That they serve sometimes with Mexican.
Oh, the tortilla?
Well, it's cut in strips, little tiny strips, yes, but I'm sure that's what it is. Those would be good on top.
All right.
Here we go. Bon appetit.
It's not too spicy for me.
No, it's not too spicy for me either.
It ends up really going together well.
I just love the sour cream and the avocado, don't you?
It really does well.
That is delicious. Delicious. And on a cold January day.
Perfect.
Oh, you know what? And I might be tempted to cook a pan of cornbread to go with it. So y'all need to try it. Like I said, it's in none of the cookbooks, none of the magazines as far as Casey and I can tell. So, but it is on the website, right? Paula Deen website. So happy New Year to all of y'all. Sending love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.